I love to learn from my mistake. I love to learn from others' mistake. So I'm trying to solve my problem. Where is my fault? And every day I try to find out where is my fault, where is my weakness. Then I try to find out. After getting find out, I'm trying to solve all problem. Then I get much benefit. So it's really amazing and it's really necessary for every one of us because life is our, life is mine, not others. So we should be careful and we should be optimistic. Then it will be helpful for us. Okay, beloved friend. So we should be believe in ourselves. Then we can do something better than others and we can do better than others. So it's really important for us. We should find out where is our mistake, where is our weakness. Then we can get mass result. I hope you can understand.